Hi dear students, here is your third lecture, Kinetic Theory of Gases. In the previous lectures, we have dealt with some laws of gases, which are the mathematical interpretations of the behavior of gases. In this lecture, we are discussing the kinetic molecular theory of gases, whose purpose is to understand the conceptual description of gases that led to the development of ideal gas law. How this conceptual description? We all know all real gases have their own individual characteristics, but it is difficult to describe each one of them. In order to simplify this task, the scientific community has decided to create an imaginary gas called ideal gas. The kinetic molecular theory is describing that gas. Now we are discussing kinetic theory of gases developed by Maxwell and Boltzmann in 1860s. The important postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases are: the first postulate is that a gas is composed of a large number of particles or molecules, whether monoatomic or polyatomic, and are in constant motion. The next postulate is that the size of the particle is negligibly small compared to the total volume of gas, as it considers the molecule as point masses. Therefore, most of the volume of the gas is empty. The third postulate is that the repulsive or attractive interactions between molecules are also very weak, that they are also negligible. Next is the fourth postulate. Gas molecules collide with one another and with the walls of the container, but these collisions are perfectly elastic that they never lose or gain energy, so that the average kinetic energy of the system will remain constant. The last postulate is that the collision of the particles among themselves and with the walls of the container are the cause of pressure exerted by the gas. If you concentrate on any one molecule, you can see that molecule undergo intermolecular collisions as well as collisions with the walls of the container. These collisions is the reason for the pressure of the system. This molecular theory has some significance. It connects the macroscopic behavior of gases to their atomic or molecular properties. The postulates of kinetic theory are approximations, but they work under normal conditions. Under extreme conditions, that is at high pressures and low temperatures, the volume will be less by Boyle's law and Charles' law, which makes the molecules come close together and their intermolecular attractions become dominant. Then it will not be modeled by kinetic theory and we have to use some complicated methods. By this, I conclude the kinetic theory of gases. You have to study the postulates of kinetic theory very well. Thank you, my dear students.